From this sea of green, we begin the incredible journey of the Waste-to-Walk luxury Oxford shoe.
Twins. During the traditional tropical harvest, the sweet fruit is carefully plucked away, leaving behind massive volumes.
Gathered into massive organic bundles, these sharp, spiky leaves hold immense natural tensile strength. Passing through high-speed optical trimmers, the useless, sharp edges and dead tips are violently sliced away, leaving the... Examining the perfectly sliced cross-section reveals an unbelievable hidden treasure. Millions of microscopic...
Perfectly prepped and totally standardized, the thick green leaves are aggressively fed directly into the
Utilizing immense mechanical pressure, incredibly fast-spinning steel rollers violently emerging triumphantly from the devastating gauntlet, the chaotic green leaves have been entirely eradicated. Flawlessly organized by high-speed robotics, the fully extracted wet material cascades beautifully. Plunging their hands deep into the vat, our elite quality experts verify absolute perfect macroscopic uniform.
submerged into massive steel pools of hyper-purified, crystal-clear fresh water. The incredibly long raw
violently detangled and aggressively brushed by thousands of steel needles, the stiff, dry fibers miraculously exits, gathered entirely by hand, and the massive, weightless clouds of pristine white pineapple fluff are perfectly compressed. To begin the creation of the actual physical fabric, massive clouds of pristine white fluff. The loose, fluffy fibers have been miraculously, entirely physically tangled and permanently interlocked, completely Utilizing advanced high-resolution laser scanning, a computerized array meticulously examines the flawlessly smooth
Immediately exiting the intense curing oven, the scorching hot dark brown material is pulled beneath a heavy steel cylinder.
Straces, locked violently flat, a breathtakingly fast, high-powered CNC laser machine, aggressively flawless. Executing a flawless release, the heavy vacuum disengages, allowing the master artisan to beautifully, completely, perfectly peel away the
Transferring the completely detailed panels, a heavy-duty cobbler sewing machine violently perfectly pierces.
To achieve its iconic silhouette, the completely stitched upper is violently and aggressively stretched, entirely taut over a heavy
polos with absolute masterful precision, and the tightly stretched leather is aggressively and rhythmically tapped perfectly, completely.
For the absolute ultimate finishing touch, perfectly pristine, pure organic cotton lace pistons, locked violently away for protection, the breathtakingly gorgeous, fully finished masterpiece Oxford shoes are permanent.
entirely, completely, perfectly lowering the heavy organic bundle completely and perfectly into an absolutely completely rigid. Stepping onto the highly polished marble floor, the incredibly premium upcycled vegan Oxford shoes absolutely command instrument.
Luxury without compromise, completely rewriting the absolute fundamental rules of global classic high.
Moving beyond the pristine boutique, the incredible vegan leather is subjected to the ultimate test of the real world.
Despite immense physical flexing, the incredibly advanced bio-resin coating and dense felted canvas perfectly drippers. Fearlessly confronting the elements, the fully sealed bio-resin exterior completely repels moisture, ensuring the
As day transitions into night, the magnificent upcycled footwear proves it is not just built for the rugged city streets.
Confidently stepping directly onto the exclusive red carpet, these premium upcycled vegan Oxford from a discarded agricultural waste leaf. Ensuring a flawless zero waste cycle. Every single ounce of unused green pulp from the
completely transcending everyday wear, the unbelievable high-gloss finish and immaculate silhouette, perfectly.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tool. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure original. Visual and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visual and real footage.